Good morning children, welcome to English new session. In the previous class we have learned the story. What was the name of the story? Ali and the innkeeper. How many characters were there? There were 3 characters. Who were there? Ali. Who was Ali? Ali was a poor man. And who is innkeeper? Owner of the hotel. Then who is Nasruddin Hoja? Nasruddin Hoja was a judge. Hope you have read the story and understood the word story and explanations. Isn't it? Did you understand the story? Yes. Did you learn the new words? Very good. What is the meaning of capture? Get. Very good. What is the meaning of cunning? Clever and dishonest. Okay? Is it clear? Very good. Now we will go to the next exercise. Take the page number 7. Exercise A. Look at the book. Okay children, did you take the page number 7? Exercise A. Write yes or no. Write yes or no. Ali is a rich man. Was Ali a rich man? No. So we have to write here N-O, no. Okay. Second question. A kind man gives Ali a loaf of bread. Is it right? Yes, a good man gave Ali a loaf of bread. So we shall write here Y-E-S, yes. Next one. It is raining heavily. Was it raining heavily? No, it was a winter day. So we have to write here N-O, no. Okay. Next one. Ali tries to steal some soup. Was Ali trying to steal some soup? No. He was just trying to capture the flavor of that delicious soup. So what do we write here? We shall write here no. No, no. The next one. The innkeeper is kind to Ali. Was innkeeper kind to Ali? No, he was very rude. So what shall I write here? We shall write here no. No, no. Okay, did you understand this exercise A? Ali is a rich man. It is a wrong answer. So we shall write here no. Ali was a poor man. A kind man gives Ali a loaf of bread. Is it right? Yes. A good man gave Ali a loaf of bread. It is raining heavily. Was it rainy season? No, it was a winter season. Ali tries to steal some soup. Was Ali trying to steal the soup? No, he was just trying to capture the flavor of that delicious soup. The innkeeper is kind to Ali. Was innkeeper kind to Ali? No, he was very rude. Okay. Did you understand? Now children, take the page number 8, exercise C. Fill in the blanks to complete this flow chart. It is a fill in the blanks, but it is given as a flow chart. You can see the arrow mark. According to this arrow mark, you have to fill these boxes. Okay. So first one day a kind man gave Ali a dash. What did a kind man give to Ali? A loaf of bread. Okay, very good. Next box. With that bread, where did Ali go? Ali went to an inn. For what? To get a bowl of soup. Then what was the reply of the innkeeper? The innkeeper showed him a way. Then what did the Ali do when the innkeeper drove him away? Ali held the loaf over the soup. What did Ali do? Ali held the loaf over the soup. For what? To soak the flavor of the soup into the bread, at least to get the taste of that soup into the bread. Okay. Then what happened? The innkeeper demanded. What was the demand of innkeeper? Money for the soup, money for the smell of the soup. Then what Ali said? Ali said that he had no money to pay for the soup. Then what did our innkeeper do? Innkeeper took him to court. Then who is the judge there? Who was the judge there? Nasruddin Hoja. Then what did the Nasruddin Hoja do after listening the complaint of this innkeeper? Hoja took out a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. Yes or no? Hoja took out a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. Then after giving a good shake, what did he say? He said that the sound of these coins is the payment for the soup. This is the payment for the smell of the soup. What was the payment for the smell of the soup? Clinking sound of the coins. Did you understand? Very good. You have to learn this filling the blanks. Okay. Will you learn it? Very good. As you know the story, it is very easy to do. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will move to the exercise D. Look at the exercise D. Tick the correct words. What is the exercise D? Tick the correct words. Ali was a, option A, judge, option B, poor man. Who was Ali? Very good. Ali was a poor man. Give the tick to the option B and cross the option A. The next one, he wanted, option A, what he wanted? Some soup to have with his bread or steal from the innkeeper. What he wanted? He wants some soup to have with his bread. So, tick the option A and cross the option B. Next one, the innkeeper demanded payment because Ali, why did the innkeeper demand? Innkeeper demanded because Ali had smelt his soup or ate the loaf of bread. Had smelt his soup. So, tick the option A and cross the option B. The next one, Hoja was, who was Hoja? An innkeeper or a judge? Nasruddin Hoja was a judge. So, tick the option B and cross the option A. Is it clear to you? Ali was a poor man. He wanted some soup to have with his bread. The innkeeper demanded payment because Ali had smelt his soup. Hoja was a judge. Okay. Okay children, now we will see the exercise E. Answer these questions. Okay. Now I will explain to you these all these answers, only 3 question answers and 1 thing and answer, very small one. Now I will explain to you and I will send you the question answers in your WhatsApp. Okay. See here. What did Ali do when the innkeeper told him to move along? What did Ali do? Ali held his loaf of bread over the steam to get the flavor of the soup into the bread. Yes or no? What did Ali do? Ali held his loaf of bread over the steam to get the flavor of the soup into the bread. Understand? Now look at the question number 2. Why did the innkeeper drag Ali to court? The innkeeper dragged Ali to court because he did not have money to pay for the smell of the soup. Because he did not pay for the smell of the soup. Understood? Why did the innkeeper drag Ali to court? The innkeeper dragged Ali to court because he did not have money to pay for the smell of his soup. Next one. What payment did Hodja decide that the innkeeper should receive? What was the payment Hodja decided? The clinking sound of the coins. Yes or no? The payment that Hodja decided was the clinking sound of coins in exchange for the smell of the soup. Okay? What was the payment? The clinking sound of the coins in exchange for the smell of the soup. Okay. Okay children, now see the exercise F. Think and answer. Do you think Hodja's judgment was fair? Do you think? Yes. Give reason for your answer. Yes, Hodja's judgment was fair. Why? Because Ali did not taste the soup. He only got its smell. Yes or no? So that the judgment was fair. Is it clear to you? Do you think Hodja's judgment was fair? Yes, Hodja's judgment was fair. Why? Because Ali did not taste the soup. He only got its smell. Okay? Very good. Now we will move to the exercise G. Look at the exercise G. Cross out the odd word in each set. You have learned what is even number and odd number. Yes or no? What is the meaning of odd? Which is standing alone. Yes or no? Which is standing, the word which is standing alone. Here you can see group of words: judge, court, law, bread. In this group of word, which one is alone? Bread. Already the answer is given here, bread. Why? Because judge, court and law is depends on the what is court. All these three are depends on the court, but bread is not at all depends on the court. So it is standing alone. So we will cross this. Next one. Summer, morning, winter, spring. Which will be standing alone? Very good. Morning. Why? Because the summer, winter and springs are the seasons and morning is a daytime. Yes or no? So morning is cross. You have to cross out the word morning. Okay. Next we will go to the question number 3. Crow, butterfly, cat, sparrow. Which is standing alone? Crow. It can fly. Butterfly can fly. Cat is flying? No. So we have to cross the word cat. And sparrow, yes, it can fly. Now look at the next one. Baby, boy, girl and kite. Which is standing alone? Baby, living things. Boy, living things. Girl, living things. Kite, it is a non-living thing. So we will cross out the word kite. Next one. Sad, pleased, happy, delighted. Which one? Sad means, what is the meaning of sad? He is feeling not at all feeling happy. Pleased, what is the meaning of pleased? Feeling happy. And what is the meaning of happy? Happy, delighted, feeling too much happy. Yes or no? So, we will cross the word sad. Okay, is it clear to you?